Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about these easy exercises like beginner friendly, which will help you in giving glowing skin, which will help in reducing the blemishes and dark spots that you might be having, and overall improving the blood circulation, tightening your skin. All of that can be achieved by these simple acupressure point massages that I'm going to teach you. So you don't need any kind of equipment for this, you don't need any kind of oil for it. All you need is your index finger. Okay, so before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you are new here and watching me for the first time. My name is Rachna. I'm 41 years old and I make anti-aging skincare videos. I make product reviews and facial exercises. So if you are interested in any of that, please do subscribe. So let's start. So for massaging these acupressure points, we'll always start from the bottom and then we'll go up. Okay, so first is your chin. So you will be able to find and locate this point here, which is like at the center of your chin here, like just below your middle part of your lips and here. So this is the point. I hope you can see. So this is the point where you have to press with the help of your index finger. Now the pressure should not be too much. Don't apply a lot of pressure that you actually bruise yourself, but don't be very gentle that you don't even feel anything. So do apply pressure, like moderate pressure. Okay, you have to circle it around 20 times. Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2, and do it clockwise. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you're doing that, you can in fact close your eyes, you can deep breathe. So now that you have done this one, you're gonna move to the second point, and those are just next to your lips, corner of your lips here. So you're gonna again do it in circular motion 20 times. So initially when you're a beginner, start by massaging 20 times, then you can increase it to 30, and then maximum you can do it for 60 times, and that is like almost 1 minute that you can massage these points. After that, you're gonna move on to the next point, and which is here, just below your nose and above your lip, upper lip, here the center point here. So you're gonna massage this also 20 times, circular motion, clockwise. So now that we are done with this point, you're gonna move up, and just next to your nose in this area, this point will be there as your side of your nostrils here. You're gonna massage this area. I've even shared this area is very good for not only for sinus, or maybe you're having any nasal blockages and all, but it is very good for laugh lines also. So you're gonna stimulate this part of your both sides of your nose and do massage it for 20 times. Now after that, you're gonna find another point which is very important for those of you who feel that their cheeks are drooping, or the ones who feel that they're even getting these mid-cheek lines, or the ones who feel that their cheeks are not firm anymore. So you can stimulate that area around here. What you have to do is just go to center of your cheek, bring it down here. There you'll feel this hollowness, this point here, and you have to massage this point 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And initially your these points, if they are blocked, if these pressure points are blocked, you will feel pain, and that's totally fine. Feeling pain is okay. Now next one is this one, which is very good for your eye area and for your crow's feet and overall your eye health and all. So you're gonna stimulate your temple area, and you're gonna massage this area 20 times again. This is also very good for relieving headaches, or if you are having any tension, headaches or stress, that also you can relieve by actually massaging this point. Now after that we're going to move towards the eye area. So the main point here is this third eye point, which is known to actually stimulate your pituitary gland, and it can do wonders for your overall health. So all you have to do is, with your index finger, just at the center of your eyebrow, where your eyebrows are, like here, center, the third eye point. So you just press it like that 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. Another point that you can stimulate, which is very nice, which helps in relieving headaches and overall eye health, which will improve, are these 2 points. And when you'll press it now, you'll actually feel that your overall stress being relieved. And stress is also a big factor in skin problems and overall health problems. So you can massage these two. This is just like bridge of your nose here, and where your eyebrows start, this point you have to massage, and this one here. So the next point is just above your, wherever your high point of your eyebrows are, here you're going to massage for 20 times. So another point which is very important is around your ear, around this area, just next to this earlobe here. These are the 2 points, very important, which you will press and you will feel that it hurts, and that is very common because for most of us it hurts. It is like one of the most under-stimulated points that you need to stimulate. It will help in lymph drainage. So you have to massage this point also. Do it for 20 times, like initially, and then you can increase to 30, 40, and highest you can go 60 times. Alright, so now that I'm done with this easy peasy massage, you all can do it at the comfort of your home. You can do it in the morning, you can do it at night, whenever you feel like. And do try it, stay consistent, you're gonna love it. And if you have any other questions, if you want me to make any other facial exercises, do comment below. I'll be more than happy to do that for you all. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you liked it, and do give the feedback also eventually when you try all of these. I'll be looking forward to that. Take care. Bye.